What's up guys, unboxing time. Got some more stuff. So, gonna unbox this. This should be my barrel for my Mark 18 that I had R-hopped from my buddy Mike Gin. So hopefully it's decent. I don't know about his teching skills, but I've heard he's alright. I've heard Seth Powers is a little bit better though, so. Not sure if I'll be able to get this open very quickly, as this tape is the worst. That's it in there. So we have a Prometheus. This is the 285mm barrel. My VFC Mark 18 I believe is 275, so it should fit just fine. I had it installed with a Pro-Win chamber and a Prometheus chamber packing. So let's see if it fits in my Mark 18. Which I have here. Probably want to take the suppressor off too. Alright, take this original barrel set out. This is the stock VFC 175mm, and it looks to be just a little bit shorter than the new Pro-Win one. And I use these little O-rings to kind of keep it in place when it's inside the receiver. Then I also have a barrel collar on there, which I'll probably want to use. I'm not sure if this has a barrel collar in it or not. Doesn't look like it, but let's see if this fits. There we go. And I'll put these O-rings on there. And we'll put it in here and see how far it goes into the flash hider. Alright. As you can see, it doesn't protrude too far. Definitely doesn't go into the cuts in the flash hider, so you don't really see it. It looks to be pretty much a perfect fit in there. Very nice. Thanks Mike for that. There's my pretty much completed Mark 18. The only thing I hadn't upgraded before was the barrel, but now everything is upgraded. So there is the finished Mark 18. Probably done with that build for now. And we'll be moving on to something a little bit different in the future. Most of you guys have already figured it out. But new optic will be coming with the new build, so stay tuned for that. And we'll move on to this other package. This is from my buddy Ian Stevens. I wanted to say Even Stevens, but he's not Shiloh buff, so can't really say that. Let's see what we have in here. Looks like MCX Core Brands Core Value Ramin. we get a Crye Precision AVS. This is the M4 panel, I guess you would call it. Has the flaps. Much like my dimmer switch tactical pouch there. Very similar. Very nice. Let's see. I'll see if I can get this existing panel off real quick and show you what it looks like. Show you what the AVS looks like with the mag flap panel on it. So pretty much you want to unsnap it, Velcro up, and get all this stuff out of your way. And then you have to open this kangaroo flap and then peel up each strip that you had Velcro down in here for the existing flap. This would probably be a lot easier if I didn't have the plate in it, but the plate is in there. And these gloves are making it difficult. So, goodbye pig gloves for now. People have asked me if I was going to build different flaps to just swap out when I needed to swap pouches, but as you can see, it would be a lot easier to just take my triple shingle off and then put a different shingle on. Because this is quite tedious of a process. But like I said, it would be easier if I didn't have the plate in there. Alright, then you get all those out and you kind of have to pull them back through these loops, which is also a pain to do because you'll have the Velcro trying to stick to the front as you're doing it. So I'm just going to take this plate out. This is ridiculous. I just have a foam plate thingy in here. It's a better shape than the toy soldier. The toy soldier didn't really fill out the plate bag as well as I thought it would. Alright. Alright, so there is taking one flap off, and then to put the other flap in, you pretty much do the reverse. Let's see. I'm just going to cut this here and get this flap installed and then come back to you. Alright, sorry to anybody who wanted to watch me fiddle around with mounting this flap, but hopefully that gives you an idea of how much of a pain in the butt it is to change the flaps around. So if you do like having just 3 mags up front, that's cool. Use this panel. I think it's really cool. I really like the Crye flap design. I think it looks really nice, and I really like the pouches themselves. They do hold 1 magazine each, and not 2. So you get 1 mag in there. Close her up. Rinse and repeat for the rest of them. Really cool flap. If you like just having mags up front, it's pretty low profile when it has all of your mags secure under a flap, but it does take away the ability to add a pouch or something on top of your shingle like I have here. I have the double Glock, so if you do run a setup like this, you're not going to be able to really do that with the AVS M4 flap. You'd have to run your pistol mag somewhere else, but a lot of people run their pistol mags on their belt, so if that's how you run it and you just want to have a nice clean look up front, it's definitely a really nice looking panel. I'm a big fan of it already. So there you have it. That's the AVS. See if I can zoom out here. Give you a wider shot of that. Looks really sweet, especially next to my dimmer switch tactical pouch there. Really nice, low profile. So yeah, sorry this video is so long. I may cut part of it out, but I may just upload it all and have you guys deal with it. I'm not sure. I know a lot of you guys like to watch all that. A lot of you guys like it short and sweet, but there it is. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.